So I think that's maybe looking to address damage to the bottom of an upright.
Yeah, I think so.
Uh, yeah, for people who don't typically know, I would say like probably 80% of racking damage, upright damage, is to that first couple feet or so off the ground. So there's no specific guide in the industry. There's no code that's going to tell you what amount of deformation is too much. Out of the gate, I would say no amount of deflection is good. However, we try to devise through our damage assessment guide, which is downloadable on our website, a 1, 2, 3 rule. So to the extent you have more than an 1/8 deformation on the front of your column, 2/8 deformation on the side of your column, or 3/8 deformation on your bracing. So the bracing being the piece of steel typically that attaches the front column and the back column. Not to say that if you got an 1/8 deformation in front of the column, you're swapping out your upright. What we're saying is this: if it's been damaged once before and you've noticed an 1/8, the likelihood is that that same position will get damaged again. If you've now doubled that amount of deformations, you went from 1/8 to 2/8, which is really a quarter of an inch. I think you now start creeping into that zone where you want to start looking at addressing the issue. So that's the best I could say. I think everything is context as well. I mean, how much load you have in the upright, whether you're in a seismic zone or not, the type of upright that you're using, whether it's cold formed or structural. At the end of the day, the best thing to do, if you have any doubt whatsoever, is to consult with an expert. We offer inspection services. We also offer, through our various dealers, damage assessments. So I would encourage anybody on the phone who's still a little bit uncertain about whether the damage on their uprights is at that point where you want to act. Visit our blogs, download our content, or just reach out to us